Hey everyone, today we're going to look at some advanced editing tools, things like keyframes for animation, masking, blending modes, and using a green screen. So let's get started. Let's begin with using keyframes. Alright, let's say we want to add a zoom effect to a video. First we select the video and click this keyframe icon. Now we move forward a bit and add another keyframe. If we want to remove it, we can just click the minus sign. Now when we play the video, you can see the smooth zoom effect. That's how keyframes work. Now let's talk about masking a video. For masking, I have two video clips. I'll move the second video to the upper track, then select it and go to the mask option. I'll choose the circle mask. Now, we can adjust the position, width and height of the mask. We can also use this feather option to make the edges smooth. Once it looks good, hit OK and that's it. Now let's learn how to remove the green screen chroma key. If you have a green screen video, here's how you can eliminate the background. First, place the green screen video on the second track. Then, go to Smart Cutout and select chroma key. Now select the green color and adjust these two sliders to remove the background. If there's still a green outline, increasing the shadow value can help. Hit OK and your background is gone. Now, just adjust the main video to fit properly and you're done. Lastly, let's talk about blending modes. Blending modes help mix two clips in different ways. Select the clip, go to blending, and try different options. I'll go with the screen mode because it works well for this video. You can also adjust the opacity to make it look better. And that's it. So, that was a quick look at keyframes, masking, green screen, and blending modes. If this was helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.